How's it going, everyone? My name is Spray and for those of you who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting. A customer put in the request for me to do a Kimmech painting. For those of you who don't know who Kimmech is a soccer player who plays for the Bayern Munich. I kept this painting simple and I made it into a silhouette painting. It basically looks like my superhero paintings, and I'm really happy how this painting turned out, and I hope you guys do too. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you're visiting my channel for the first time and you like this content, consider hitting the subscribe button. If you guys want me to make you something in the future, comment on what you guys want me to make you, and I'll put your requests on the request form that I have. The only thing I don't do are portraits. Also, please share with your friends and family. That would help me out a lot, you guys. And hit the notification bell to get notified of the upcoming videos I'll be making in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get to painting. Let's get painting, guys.
It's just you and me in the drying process. How's your day been? Good? Okay.
I know. Don't panic. We're okay.
Alright, that about does it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, consider hitting the subscribe button. If you want me to make you something, let me know in the comments down below and I'll put your request on the request form. Also, please share with your friends and family. That helps me out a lot, you guys. Also, hit the notification bell to get notified for every video that I upload in the future. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.